Tony makes 40 dolls. She sells 4/5 of them at one price for a total of £96. She then reduces the price and sells the rest for a total of £20. By how much did she reduce the price? Let's see how many she sold first off. She had 40 and she sold 4/5 of them. So 4/5 of 40 would be 40 divided by 5 is 8, which is 1/5. And then 8 times 4 is 32. So 4/5. So she sold 32 dolls. 32 for £96. What would that be for each doll? Divide 96 by 32 and you get £3 for a doll. Let's look at what's remaining then. If she sold 32 out of 40, there are 8 left. So 8 left and they were sold for £20. So let's see what they are each. Now 20 divided by 4 is 5. So divided by 8 would be half of that again, 250. How much did, so she used to sold them originally for £3, sold the next batch for £2.50. And the question is, by how much did she reduce the price? Well, it was from £3 down to 250. So she reduced them by 50p.